Okay, in this example, we're going to use similar triangles to figure out this missing length. So the first thing we need to do is notice that there's a smaller triangle, which I'm highlighting in yellow, and there's a bigger triangle, which I'm highlighting in blue. Okay, and so these triangles are similar when we have parallel lines like this. So let's set this up. We have, it might be easier to draw the triangles separate like this. Okay, so here's the yellow triangle, and here's the blue triangle. This helps us understand the relationships. So the length of this side here is 8, and the similar side, this length of the blue side, is x plus 8. Now, this side here is 6.5, and the length of this whole blue side is 6.5 plus 12, which is 18.5 from here to here. So how did I get 18.5? This was 6.5 plus 12. Right? Because that's the length of this whole thing. 6.5 plus 12 is 18.5. Okay, so now let's set up our ratios. So we've got 8 over x plus 8 equals 6.5 over 18.5. All right? So now if I cross multiply, then I get 8 times 18.5 equals 6.5 times x plus 8. Okay, and now I can do distributive property, and then I can multiply 8 times 18.5, I get 148, and multiply 6.5 to each of these. 6.5 times 8 equals 52, and then I have plus 6.5x. Okay, now I can subtract 52 on both sides of the equal sign to make that go away, and then I've got 96 equals 6.5x. And then if I divide both sides by 6.5, I end up with x equals 96 divided by 6.5, and then I get x equals 14.8. All right, now let's do another example. Okay, same situation. I've got this smaller triangle, and I've got this larger triangle. So just like in the previous example, I'm going to draw the smaller triangle, and we're going to draw the bigger triangle. Okay, now the length of this whole side is marked as 12, and the length of this side, oh, it's not marked, but I know this here is 12, and this here is x, so I can call this 12 minus x. You might want to pause and replay to make sure you understand why this is 12 minus x, because it's the whole 12 minus x is going to give me that. Okay, now this side here is 6, and this side here is 18 plus 6, so 18 plus 6 is 24. And now I can set up my ratios. Okay, so we've got 6 over 24 equals 12 minus x over 12. Okay, so once again, we're going to cross multiply, and then we get 6 times 12 equals 24 times 12 minus x. And then I can multiply 6 times 12, and we get 72. And I can do distributive property with the 24. And we do, so 24 times 12 is 288. And 24 times x, we get minus 24x. And now I'm going to subtract 288 on both sides of the equal sign. And then we get 72 and negative 288 gives me negative 216. And that makes the 288 go away. And now we have minus 24x. And then the last step is to divide both sides of the equation by negative 24. So now I have x equals negative 216 divided by negative 24. And then we get x equals 9. If you have trouble with this, you may want to rewatch the video, and I hope this helps.